Avalore Jewelry is marketed as an elegant online jewelry brand offering luxury-looking rings, necklaces, and bracelets at affordable prices. But the real question is it actually a trustworthy store or another risky online jewelry site with misleading marketing? Now, to be fair, not every newer jewelry brand is automatically fake. Some customers do receive their orders, and a few buyers say the pieces look decent for price. What it does well: stylish designs and attractive pricing. The website presents jewelry in a polished, premium-looking way that appeals to shoppers looking for affordable luxury-style accessories. Some customers report receiving orders successfully. There are reviews claiming fast shipping, decent packaging, and jewelry that looks good initially. Where it raises concerns: mixed customer reviews. While some reviews are positive, others complain that the jewelry looks very different from the photos, feels cheap, or tarnishes quickly. Return and refund complaints. Some buyers claim customer support becomes difficult when requesting refunds or returns. One reviewer specifically said the company allegedly refused a return despite the advertised policy. Website trust concerns. Scam checking sites flag the domain as suspicious due to factors like a recently registered website, hidden ownership details, and low trust scores. So, is Avalore Jewelry real or fake? Avalore Jewelry does not clearly look like an outright scam where nobody receives anything. However, the bigger concern is product quality, misleading presentation, and customer service issues. The risk seems much higher than with established jewelry brands. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.